Alright, we're on. Second biggest one. Here's Mr. Lover staring down the tree. This might lose our shed. We shall see. Oh boy. Don't hit the shed. Wow!
Wow! Oh, it's on the wrong place. Oh no.
Now you did.
Man, that was big. Woo!
Boom! Here's another big one, Grandpa! Sorry, yelled in the camera. Apologize. I don't want Grandpa Bauma getting hurt. That's the Dodge Dakota helping hold it. Great Lakes Access, nice work. Alright. Good work, Mr. Lovers!